Traders, people are making serious money trading a prop firm account. Consider the possibility. A $200,000 prop firm account pays you every 10%, and your profit share is 80% of the gains. When 200 gains 10%, the profit is $20,000. 80% of $20,000 is $16,000. That's achievable in a month. If this prop firm account allows you to scale the balance, scaling at 20% per month or per scaling period, then for each period where 10% is gained, your income increases accordingly, right? I can tell you now, there are people making this kind of money, 100, 200,000 plus per month. If you achieve a 200,000, or if you purchase a $200,000 prop firm account and it scales, well, 4 of these accounts could provide you with an extraordinary income. That times 4. Let's just call it $100,000 times 4. Okay, you can make that every month. There's people doing that right now. Well, let's just wind it back a little bit. Just say you're trading a $20,000 prop firm account. Okay, your monthly profit would grow according to the scaling plan and the profit share, reaching every 10% target goal. I mean, you'd start off on $1,600 a month, but even with, a $20,000 account over time, this monthly income is absolutely achievable. So here's my proposal to you. With results like this, you could be well and truly on your way to getting funded. Pass a prop firm challenge and trade multiple prop firm accounts. Results like this are absolutely achievable. Okay, here are 3 prop firm accounts that I'm trading at the moment. In fact, number 4, that are well and truly in profit here. As you can see, this was a 200k account, this was a 100k account, 5k and a 104k. Well, it was 100k. I'm using Traders Connect to manage my accounts. Firstly, you can copy our trade signals in VIP. So this is how you receive them. They come in this format, and I also do a screenshot for the same signal. There are also members only videos and tutorials to help you develop your strategy. I'm recommending Mega Funded. If you use my affiliate link and the discount code in the description below, you can get 10% off any of the challenges. And if you're a beginner, by the way, here's the thing, 2 phases. You could even start with 10% off that, $45. And the benefit of trading a prop firm account is it's the real deal. It's the real deal insofar as you've got something invested in this. And look at the profit share. Start small, learn our strategy, get this down pat, start seeing results like this. And when you can see that you're profitable, if you like, on a demo account in TradingView using our indicators and our strategy, once you're profitable, you'll know. You can open a paper trading account here on TradingView, and as soon as you see consistent profits come in, the opportunity here, I mean, look at phase 1, for example, a 200k account. Once you know you're profitable, you reach 10% and then you start getting paid 80% profit share, $200,000 account. And this brings me back to the spreadsheet. They'll go up to 2 million, and this is absolutely achievable. Start small, kick off on a small account, a 5k or a 15k, be successful with that, and then build up from there and make a difference. Back on the Mega Funded website, you can have a look at their challenges. They got the 1 phase or 2 phase. I like the 1 phase, it's quicker. If you scroll down, you'll find the link to their Discord. There it is, join Discord. Here it is here, and there's a lot of information in here. Just start from the top and work down. There's welcome, there's rules, go to the rules, and then from here, well, you got to go down to about announcements, and look, they have all this stuff you can get involved with down in here. They've got a general chat you can join, trade ideas, I will admit. I think some of my ideas end up in here somewhere. But yeah, these guys are awesome. I'm trading one of their challenges at the moment. And they have an Instagram. Go on here and you can see recent payouts, withdrawal certificate. Okay, there's all the details in the Instagram. The Instagram link is in the Discord. You can just go down to, I think it's the About page, or you can just do a search in the search up here. Search for Instagram, enter, and that'll bring it up. There it is. Mega Funded are partly owned by 8Cap Global. Okay, have a look at information about payouts and where the funds are kept. It's all on their Discord. So, guys, work on your trading strategy. Join VIP, get profitable, don't risk your own money, trade a prop firm account. Use my link, my affiliate link, okay, it's in the description below the video, and if you use the link with this code here, you'll be able to receive a 10% discount on their challenges. And join VIP, guys, it's only $19.95 a month. This is an incredible opportunity, and I invite you to jump on board and join us on this journey. By the way, our VIP has a VIP chat group as well, where you can interact with our other members. Okay, guys, so with that, reach out. Love to hear from you. Hope you have a great day. Safe trading. And as always, we'll see you in the next video.